Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing, as usual, about the technical analysis of Nifty, and plus we'll be looking on the stocks and setups for tomorrow's trading session. Let's begin with Nifty. As we have already discussed yesterday, if not seen the video, you can just quickly look onto the yesterday's video. We were anticipating that if there is a break below this level, the follow through should be quick if we are really in a mood to go down, which obviously did not happen. From 2 to 3 days, we have been escaping the down move false breakouts. You see, this was the first breakout where I would have already suggested that you only need to go short when we are giving a structure like this, breaking a pivot below this level. Then only you need to get into the short trade. Otherwise, you will be getting trapped. And in matter of fact, the people who have just initiated the short, just watching the break of structure here, would have got butchered, right? The same thing yesterday as well. It opened a gap down, quickly started moving up, and if anybody was having a short trade just watching the break of structure below, then he would have again, you know, gone into bunkers hitting the stop losses. And the same thing today as well. If people would have opened a short trade in the morning session, just looking the break of yesterday's low, these points, he would have been sure that if these kind of supports are getting broken, then probably we are just going to move lower and lower. But if you see the 15-minute chart, this was the only candle which was down for today below this yesterday's low. In fact, after this candle, which is the first one, it just started going up. In fact, if you consider bank nifty, it was up considerably. So this is Nifty future chart. It was marginally up, but Bank Nifty was having a better performance today. So again, what we are seeing is that we are trying to go up. In case we would have been up, you know, in mood to go lower and lower, the momentum should have been very higher to the downside, but it is not yet happening. So again, we should be waiting and still watching a breakout above this structure. Then only if there is a pullback and subsequent break of that structure, then that is our long trade. So sometimes you just need to wait and watch. Patience is the best thing. All right. Still, if somebody is looking for short positions, then I don't think I have any recommendation. Instead, we should be looking for long positions because Nifty is not falling. In fact, all entire market is not looking bearish as of now. If you see the broader market, mid and small caps, they were just roaring. So this is the trade I would like to suggest on Nifty index. Break above this, any kind of small pullback, uh, less momentum pullback, and subsequent break. This is your trade. Stop loss just below here. So this is the possible trade for tomorrow. Let's quickly jump onto the stocks. The stocks are exactly the same which we have already discussed because these are running well. So why do we change the stocks or keep on hopping on to different stocks? Yesterday we would have opened the position around 161.6. In fact, you can still open this position, but looks like the momentum to upside is getting slower. So there might be a possibility that one or two swings above this, and we might see some distribution pattern like this, a sluggish movement to the upside, and we might start falling downside, which may be downside something, or there could be a consolidation or some time wasting here. But until there is some juice, we keep onto the stock. So still, buy position can be opened around 161.5 or 160.5 in this range, and the stop loss will be coming somewhere around this level, which will be 157.5. 157.5. So this is your AB Capital stock. Next one is SRF. SRF has been showing a resilient price structure, not moving heavily down. In fact, we suggested a pullback entry somewhere around here, and it would have been couple of days if you have already entered around this 61.8 retracement, keeping the stop loss here. But I think the good momentum will only be seen when we are able to cross this previous high, this one. So your entry will be somewhere around, let me mark this point, 2416. Buy will be 2416.5, right? And your stop loss will be 2366. So you might at first glance see that the stop loss Y is wide, but this is not the actual stop loss. In fact, this is the initial stop loss before stop, opening a position, and position will only be opened when you are breaking this. And after that, if you get a subsequent retracement, you move your stop loss here. Simple as that. So no need to worry that it is somewhat long stop loss. So this is the logic. Let it break above this. There can be other scenario as well. If it is breaking up, you can still cast Fibonacci tool, and if it is coming below 60% or 50%, open the long position here as well. Just understand the concept. HDFC AMC, we would have got the entry here. In fact, if you have got the entry here, put the stop loss to 22, what exactly it is, 2254, 2254, and your entry would have been 2297.5, somewhere around here, this area. So if you have already got it, no need to be worried. You should be looking for a pullback like this, and if it goes above this, you can even enter fresh here, keeping the stop loss here. So those will be the levels which can only be known tomorrow. So as per existing price action, this is what you need to do. Enter above this area, keep the stop loss at the swing low. Next one is PFC. We already discussed this one yesterday, and you would have already got the entry in this one. And if you have already got the entry, I would suggest you move your stop loss to 141.75. Pardon me, sorry. So these are the stocks which are giving some good trading setup, and we have been moving these stop losses up in these four stocks, or the stock which we already discussed yesterday. So these are the stocks you should also keep on your watch list for trading in subsequent trading sessions. Alright guys, this is it for the current video. If you do like the content, if you like the analysis, if you want to do, or you want me to do technical analysis of some particular stock or some particular index, just drop in the comment section. I'll be very much happy to make a video on that. And please support the channel, like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends, so that multiple people can get the benefit of this analysis and videos. Till then guys, thank you very much.